the coach. And you can see the speed of the train over there. Guys, this is the emergency brake handle, and this is where we keep our luggage. There are 3 lights provided for us. Guys, we just got our tea and snacks. We got a tea packet and oats biscuit. Guys, this is the Western toilet and this is the Indian style toilet. There is an automatic door here and this is the speed on the board. Guys, my mom is just opening the masala tea packet. Guys, this is a display which shows the speed of the train and how many more kilometers there are for the next stop. This is the outside view. Guys, we just got our breakfast and this is the non-veg meal. I was provided with a pair of breads, and 2 omelets, a ketchup packet and a bit of peas and carrot with peri-peri fries. I also got a vanilla cake for the dessert. Guys, this is the peas with carrot and peri-peri fries. Guys, this is the non-veg meal in lunch. We were provided with rice, dal, chicken curry, roti, curd and a bit of bitter gourd which nobody likes. The chicken curry tasted quite good, but I didn't even touch the bitter gourd. This is the automatically operated door. Guys, this is a nice view of all the windmills. Guys, these doors are also automatic. We are just getting ready to get down at the Tirunelveli junction. Guys, we have finally reached the Tirunelveli station and this is the outside view of the train. We are going to the front part of the train. We are going to see the engine. It is quite aerodynamic. That's why it's the fastest train in India. Time for a photo shoot.